This is our second home that we had purchased, so for us it was actually extremely easy. Just kind of asked some questions. We drove away, took our time. It wasn't like a high pressure type thing. And from start to finish, it was much easier than the first time I did it. We had been looking at homes for a while, and we had intended on waiting about another year. Just kind of looking through, seeing the model home with all the additional features. It had already a garage that was taken care of, heat and air in there. We had the fencing done. It was just the right move for us. Drove around the neighborhood. We saw I had the pool and the playground, and just saw a lot of kids playing around. Looked like a very friendly neighborhood.
My favorite feature is, just the bright windows and just how well everything was decorated with the cabinets and the quartz countertops. I really like those.
Garage with the heat and air. I mean, never really thought I'd have that. I got my ping pong table, dartboard. Cool down the house right now over the winter, just turn the heat on. It's been great, so that's my favorite feature. We've had a couple friends moving to buy some Tabor homes. Got to see it a lot. I used to work a home theater install and got to see a couple of their houses, and I just think it's well built. You get a lot of features.